Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable address labels in Etherscan, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable address labels in Etherscan, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Etherscan website. Ensure you are logged into your Etherscan account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, look for the Address Labels section. Here, you will see a list of. To disable a specific label, find the label you want to edit. Next to the label, you will see a toggle switch. Click on the toggle switch to disable the label. The label will now be inactive and no longer displayed on the blockchain address. If you wish to completely delete the label, look for the Delete option beside it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. If you have multiple labels to disable, repeat the process for each one. Once you have completed your changes, exit the Settings menu. You will now see that the address labels have been successfully disabled. Refresh the page to ensure that the changes take effect. Now you can explore addresses on Etherscan without the distraction of personal labels. Remember that you can always enable the labels again by following the same steps. This concludes the process of disabling address labels in Etherscan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.